welcome back to another episode on Productive Homestead. Today is a somber day. It's a day of processing. We've got these two pigs here, and it's their day. We're going to take them to the butcher and have them turned into sausage and bacon. So we're very excited about that. And buddy, have they enjoyed their life? My goodness, look at all the mud. Oh boy, they've enjoyed it for sure. Lots of food. They've eaten really good. They were, like I said, they were show pigs, so they didn't get real fat. But I've put about as much food in them as I can, and still makes sense. So we got them as fat as we could get them. But anyway, that's them. And then over here, we've done some work. We've had a real serious hawk problem. Not able to keep them out. So what we've done is we put up a little tarp right here because we've run out of netting. But I've got bird netting up. I don't even know if the camera's going to pick it up. Maybe it will. We'll get the whole thing covered in bird netting now. And we're on, this is day one. I just put this up yesterday evening. And it, so far so good. As a matter of fact, we're not even getting the squirrels and the birds that normally come in and eat the scratch. So it was a little bit challenging over here by the gate. That was our big one. So what I ended up doing, because that's how it is, I took a piece of 2-inch PVC pipe that I had laying around, not being used for anything, and attached it to my pole, and then I ran the netting way up high there so I could leave enough room for my gate to open. That big gate with that razor wire, it would destroy it. So that was kind of my solution for that. I don't know how well it's going to work. And there is a little open spot right here. It's about 8 inches. But I don't think that a hawk would get through there. A squirrel, I don't know if any of them would because of that razor wire. But we're gonna watch it and see. I think we're gonna be all right. But these chickens, I got a feed sack out there. They're eating the paper. That's weird. But that chicken's hiding. But anyway, so really excited about the bird netting. I think it's going to work really good. I hope it does. If it doesn't, I don't know. I guess I'll just roof the whole thing. But we've had them cooped up for like 2 weeks. Just feeding them and making sure they got water, but not letting them out of the coop because of the hawks. Man, it was so bad. But hopefully this will fix it. But yeah, it's the pig's day. We're going to take them to the butcher. So it's one of those things, even doing our absolute best to not you're invested. You know what I mean? You're invested in the animal. And while they are food, at the end of the day, right, it's no different than going to the store and buying a pork chop or sausage or bacon. While the end product is no different, the reality of where your food comes from isn't lost on me here. And so while we are going to do this, and we're going to enjoy the fruit of our labor, it's not lost on me that we are taking an animal's life, 2 of them, and the greater purpose is to feed our family. And so it's very serious, and I don't take it. It's not a light thing. It's no small thing at all. So, all right. Well, we're gonna get these things off to the butchers. So, all right. All right. Well, the pigs have been dropped off at the butcher, and we are on our way. We're gonna get some sausage and bacon. It's been a week, and or no, I'm sorry, it's been 2 weeks. Been 2 weeks, and the bird netting is working really well, really well. We've got we've had zero issues. It's holding up really well. Hasn't caved in or fell in. The gate opens and works really like it should, and the chickens seem to be thoroughly enjoying it. The pigs are back from the processor. We ended up with a little over 200 pounds of meat. They were small pigs, but we got a lot of sausage, and the bacon wasn't bad. The bellies were kind of small, but man, it worked out really well. Kind of show you what it looks like here. All right, chickens. So this is all sausage and ground pork, and then here's what the bacon looks like. So like I said, a little small, but it doesn't shrink much at all, and man, is it good. So there's the update on that, and man, I'm telling you, it feels so nice being able to raise our own meat, raise our own food, and eat it. And man, it's so good. It tastes so good, and it feels good. But that's about it on the things around the farm here. Excited about getting another couple of pigs. Need to look pretty hard at getting another batch of meat birds. All of those things hopefully will be coming up again. The meat birds, they were very successful, and I'd like to get a couple more pigs, but obviously we would want some pigs that get fatter than the previous ones. Obviously for a better harvest for the freezer. We're nearing the end of January here, getting ready for another growing season coming up. We're right in the middle of winter, and so we're due for a little bit of snow next week. Probably not much here, but some. Yeah, we got a lot of snow for around here. Man, woo! It's weighing down trees. What a beautiful snow is pretty cool. Look at those solar panels. The solar panels ain't doing them any good. Mine probably ain't doing me any good, which wouldn't be doing any good anyway. It's kind of dark. Right now is the time to kind of get things the way you want them, so that when it does hit, you can just go. you know, instead of having to try to play catch up. So, but anyway, and we lost 3 more chickens today. The hawk is coming in at will, I guess. It is not good. He come in. He came in right here, and I tied it back up, but he just came in right through here. Tore that, came in here, killed 3 chickens, took them out, did whatever he does with them, and they're gone. So, man, so frustrating. The bird netting worked for a couple of weeks, but now here we are again. Same problem, different day. So, try to figure it out. All right, so we are back here at the chicken coop. And we've had some relatively unfortunate events occur. The poultry netting, the bird netting here that we installed was incredibly ineffective, as some of you may know, and others may not, and so that's why we're doing this. So this cloth fabric, I would think, in my mind, logically, would be an excellent deterrent. Like a predator would see this netting and think, okay, can't get in. No, that's not what happens. The hawk literally just cut right through it with its talons or beak, I suppose. I didn't see it happen, and killed 3 more chickens. Terrible day. So right now, with the way things are, covering this right this second is not feasible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a chicken tunnel. It's a tunnel for chickens, as you may be able to infer by the name. And I've got it over here kind of laid out, and we're getting ready to stake it down. So this is what I got. I've got it attached to the coop with wire, and then I'm going to stake it on the ground. I'll stake it to the ground here, and I'm going to cut this netting open, and they can just jump over and go out. And then this is a little bit of a contraption, but I'm kind of just figuring it out, you know, but I've got it kind of a TP style here, you know, a triangle style, and it's just a nice long tunnel that runs all the way to the end of the run, and then it's sealed up to the chain link fence on the end, so that nothing can get in or out. And then I'm gonna, like I said, stake it to the ground on each side, and then we will open this thing up to the chickens and and let them start using the tunnel. Maybe it'll be great, I don't know. Yeah. It broke. Metal stakes would have been better, but these were a lot cheaper. That one broke. All right, there's a reason why these are cheap. They are garbage. I'm thinking you could put some feed out here in the tunnel and let them come out and scratch on the ground and stuff like that. I would love to be able to just free range them, but that doesn't seem to be an option. When we free range them, they disappear, they never come back. I think either they just get eaten, you know. Everything eats chicken. Every single thing. Everything. Everything eats chicken. And you know, so in light of that, we gotta try to keep it to where they can't eat chicken, because we kind of like our chickens because they lay us eggs. And I'm gonna put a few more stakes in the ground here and kind of secure this fence a little better, this little tunnel, and then we'll move on. Good. All right, that's actually really secure. Man, yeah, I don't think a hawk is going to be able to chew through the wire. I don't think a hawk is going to be able to yank it up. It's not going to be able to get in. The next step is to cut that hardware cloth on the coop, inside the coop. So let's do that, and then we'll see what happens with the chickens. See if they decide to check it out or not. I bet they do. They look a little curious, just a touch. It's open. Let's see what they do. Yeah, figured it out, yeah. There we go. We're thinking about it. Oh. Is that outside? Hey, that's outside. All right, so let me know in the comments down below, what do y'all do for predator guarding in your coops, in your runs? Do y'all have just a completely enclosed shelter? Do you have these chicken tunnels? Do you have a completely enclosed structure? Or do you just let them run free and let what happens happens? Let me know. Oh, here we go. That's plastic, yeah. All right, we're gonna eat plastic. Okay. Hey. Well, they seem to be. Yeah, piece of paper. Oh man. That's ridiculous, but it works. And the thing is they're safe. Like this is chicken friendly, hawk unfriendly. It's weird how they seem to be just fine with this little tunnel. That little pull tab. I don't even know where that came from. There's a little metal pull tab off an old Coke can they found. Dug it up from somewhere. Oh, this one wants out. But it ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. All right, well, man, the tunnel is the hit, and I'll take the win on the tunnel. I feel really, really confident about this. The bird netting, I'm ashamed to admit that I had more confidence in it than I should have, but that's the way it goes sometimes. But now we've got this tunnel here and this run, and man, the predators here is just, it's intense, and we just got to do what we got to do. I mean, you put a lot of time and resources into having fresh eggs, and when you start losing chickens, it doesn't work. So, so we got to do what we got to do to keep them safe, and there you go. I wish I could let them run free more often, but we just can't here. There's too many woods, I guess, and too many predators. So, all right. Well, thanks for coming back around and watching another episode of Productive Homestead. We appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. It's a blessing to the family, and I think it's a blessing to me. And appreciate y'all checking it out. And we'll see you on the next one.